know you're getting ready to build something big when you buy the world's largest hand saw.
Oh my goodness.
That's the backside. Check that thing out.
If it's as big as the box is,
I'm pretty sure it's as big as the box is.
that's a 2-man saw.
It might be, or just one real man.
Has it got a small block 350 on it, or?
It's LS wall.
LS?
Yeah.
Alright.
So seeing how we got the race cars running now, both of them, for the time being, it's about time to get started on the new shop.
Okay.
And you know it's going to be a big shop, you got to have a big saw.
Yeah.
So I think we've outgrown this little space we're in, and it's time to get started on the big one.
Right on, brother.
Here we go. So I think it's about this time last year, we said we was going to build a building.
We are. All we like is finishing.
Looks like all we like is getting started.
Yeah.
That too. But we are finally getting started. It'll still be a few weeks before we actually start building.
Before we get done with it.
Yeah, before we get finished. But we got the building laid out. You probably can't see that all the way over there because that's a little bitty pink line, but we got a pink line all the way around the perimeter, 50 by 120 feet. That's gonna be pretty big.
That'll be good.
Yeah.
I put my big bandsaw in it.
Gosh, I wish we could get rid of that bandsaw. Yeah, so it's gonna be 50 by 120. It's gonna have like a.
They can't hear you when you look that way and they talk. That's what you do to me in the shop. He does that to me in the shop. He's like, no, no. And all I hear is the end.
Did you get that?
No. You gotta talk to them.
It's gonna be 50 by 120. It's actually gonna be 50 by 128 feet. But the additional 8 feet on this end is just gonna be like a big porch area where you can kind of roll the car outside and not be outside.
Yep. Wash it maybe?
Yeah, wash it sort of outside. It's all gonna be a big concrete slab in there. And then way over there in the front left corner is going to be, I guess you'd call it a house. It's going to be big enough to be called a house. But it's going to be inside. A house inside.
Dad's house?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be his house.
Yeah.
We're going to build a house inside this building.
Yeah.
For Dad.
It's going to be a 2-story house.
Yeah.
over there inside the building.
And we got 120 foot of concrete, so we should be able to do some pretty good testing.
We could at least do like a 60-foot hit, and then we'd have another 60 foot to slow down.
Yeah, before you hit the garage door.
If we open the garage doors,
It's going out.
we might be able to make some 330 hits. No, it's just 120 feet long. That won't work.
Oh, 330 feet. Yeah.
Yeah, that won't work. So yeah, we still got a few things to. We got to order, obviously, all the lumber and the trusses, and we got to start drilling some holes because there's going to be concrete piers every 8 feet where a post is going to be. It's going to be a really big post frame building. We're going to build it all out of wood. It's not going to be metal. The outside's going to be metal. The siding and the roof is going to be metal, but it's not going to be like metal frame, not metal I-beams. So yeah, we're not kidding this time. We're actually going to build it.
Yeah, we're serious. Video didn't do too good, did it?
It's all about you. People don't care about you.
Oh, you're recording already?
Yeah. So we've been really behind on keeping y'all up to date on what's going on. We went to Maryland. That was a bust for me. That was pretty cool for you.
Yeah, I had a good time. Second time I had a good time up there.
He didn't run a 799. He's still slower than molasses.
So close.
Yeah, 8.007.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just call that a 7.
No, it won't.
You can't get no closer.
Yeah, you can.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can run one.
All right, next time out, the car's gonna run a 7.
Yeah.
I think we figured out a really big restriction with his setup, and he's had a Treadstone intercooler on his car since the day we built it, when it had just an LS3 in it, and it worked good back then with those little bitty 67 millimeter turbos.
Yeah.
It was ideal for that, and it's a good intercooler for somebody making, around 1,000 horsepower, 1,200 horsepower. But the harder we try to push his car, it just seems like the less it wants to go.
Can't go any faster.
No. We had, I can't even remember, it was like 45 pounds of boost or something in it in 4th gear at Maryland.
The head stayed down.
The heads did stay down. That's a plush right there. But it just didn't, from the 8th mile to the quarter mile, the thing just lays over.
Yeah.
So we're going to fix that. We've got a big intercooler core ordered. It should be here in like a week or so. And we're going to build the end tanks and do all that stuff.
Got the cord from No Corners Cut.
Yep. They got us a Bell core, which is the same thing that I run on mine, and it's worked great. Oh, the Christmas parade.
Yeah, we're gonna make it.
We're gonna make the Christmas parade.
As far as we know, I mean, all I've done to mine's put antifreeze in it.
Yeah.
I probably need to get it out, make sure it ain't got like 3 bent rods and.
Gosh, that'd be bad. That'd probably prevent you from making it to the Christmas parade.
Unless it runs, I'll run it.
Oh, okay. All right. I've already had mine out, and I've put pump gas in it, and I got the street tires on it.
I'm leaving E85 in mine. I want to blow E85 flames out in front of the police department.
It said in the rules of the Christmas parade that there was no open flames allowed.
I mean, it might be one and done. The odds of us making the Christmas parade are so super low anyway. It's probably just going to be a one and done anyway.
One and done, yeah. And everybody in YouTube world probably thinks we're a bunch of rednecks for wanting to put our race cars in the Christmas parade.
Yeah, well, that's fine.
But
they're just missing out.
They are missing out. It's been a goal of ours for a long time.
Yeah.
And every winter, our cars are blown up.
It's because the Christmas parade needs more. It needs more spunk. I mean, it's so boring. You get all those fire trucks just going out there throwing candy at the kids, but we need race cars in the Christmas parade, if you ask me.
I agree.
The way you spunk something up is to put a race car.
Put a race car in it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make it. The Christmas parade is next Monday night. So, Lord willing, and nothing else happens in between now and then, our cars are gonna make it to the Christmas parade. We've already paid the entry. We're committed.
Yeah.
Another really big thing that we dropped the ball on keeping you guys updated on, and we'll take you over to the shop and show you is we have the Corvette back.
We ain't even showed them the Corvette?
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now it's dirty already.
I know. We brought it back, and Jeff and he's already dove straight into working on it because we want to have that thing racing next year. But by George, if that ain't the slickest
it's pretty
paint job ever. And I ain't just saying that because it's one of our cars. That is.
It's got my wheels on it right now.
Oh man, he
Hey,
stole
nice
his wheels. He stole the wheels off the Corvette to go to Maryland with.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous. But we'll take you guys over there and show you. What do we got? Man, you are fast. All right, so the shop's still a mess. We just kind of keep this thing a mess. But look, we already got this engine, the transmission, the bell housing. Jeff's ready to drop this thing in. But here it is with the door off of it and up in the air and Steven's front wheels on it. We still have some assembly required with this thing.
Maybe you could go up on steps and show them top.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Oh yeah, you can sort of see it. Check out that hood. Oh man, that thing's slick. Yep. So we're pretty excited to get this thing together. We're putting an LS in it.
He lies.
Wait a minute. That ain't
There's one Jonathan's set up there, ain't it?
Jonathan Atkins LS.
Yeah, that's a Jonathan Atkins LS motor.
Okay, here we go. Jonathan Atkins LS is going in this thing. And we got the bell housing. We're kind of just doing mock-up and everything right now. We got a G101A from G-Force. And we got a Black Magic clutch around here somewhere to go in it. But we're gonna get it in the car and get everything kind of mocked up. And then we'll start final assembly with the car. We still have to put the grill in it and the lights back on it. And
trying to get his seat in it.
We got to get his seat in it. We got to get his front wheels back on it. These things are ugly.
Look really good on there.
I think
look really good on there.
I think the other ones look better.
You could put those wheels on Ford Pinto and they'd look good.
Oh, that's probably true. Steven's really bad about stealing people's wheels. Last year at Maryland, he stole my wheels to go.
Well, when you go to Maryland, you just need to steal somebody's wheels.
Yeah, or you could just buy some nice wheels.
They're too expensive.
Check out these rear wheels though. Man, them things are nice. Look at that dish. Good grief.
Look at those fingerprints now.
Oh, well,
Goober.
The cleaning lady will get that.
I'm the cleaning lady.
I know. All right, so that's a small update of what we got going on. The Corvette's back. We got a bunch of work to do on that. We got the Christmas tree gone and it's installed.
Yes.
And that's a huge.
And they're happy.
Yeah, that's a huge stress lifted off of us. We got that done, and we didn't die. That was
pretty cool.
Yeah, that was the cool part.
Yeah.
We questioned that.
I was expecting at least one of us to.
Yeah. Well, I thought we were going to at one point, but
yeah.
We got the Christmas tree done, so the big job is out of the way.
We got a heater.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're not.
So I don't freeze to death anymore.
We're not gonna freeze anymore.
Thanks to Haywood Heating and Air.
Yeah, Haywood Heating and Air hooked us up. That heater will run you out of here when you turn it on full blast. Nice. It's pretty nice. But that's kind of what we got going on. We're gonna get started on that building, and I don't know if I'm gonna record the entire process or not. If that's something you guys want to follow along with, then drop a comment down below and say, heck yeah, record everything, or just let me know when the building's done.
Racing, you big goober.
Yeah, or say that. Yeah, whatever you want to do. Because it's a lot of work to record all these videos, and if I don't have to, then I won't. If nobody wants to watch it, I'm not going to do it.
I'm going to drop a comment that says record it.
Are you?
Yeah, I want to see it.
Okay, well, but you're going to be helping me build it.
Yeah, that's why I want to see it.
You just want to watch yourself work?
Yeah, get it documented.
that you don't do anything?
Yeah, so my wife will know that I did something.
Okay. We'll see you guys later.